So guys, today we are testing loading time, gameplay, battery backup and everything graphics on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. You can see the game is loading, how much time it will take to load complete game. Okay, so you can see the game is loading, how much like I think it's like 7-8 seconds I think. Okay, I will show you the graphics, the battery backup also, battery, how much battery it will drain if I play for like a half an hour. Okay, you can see the loading time is normal, not that fast, not that late. Okay, and sorry for my English. Let me show you the time. Okay, it's 13:38. Okay, 13:38, and the battery percentage is around 45. Okay, the battery percentage is 45 and the time is 13:38. Okay, how much it will be draining after playing for like 20 minutes. Okay, I will let you know. And let me go to settings and show you the graphic settings. Okay, so these are the graphic settings. Let me click on graphics and it will support of to like no extreme HDR it doesn't support. Let me select ultra HDR. Okay, this option also won't support. I have to lower the FPS. Okay, if I select ultra FPS, then I think it will no HDR. Okay, if I select HDR graphics, then the FPS will be like ultra. Okay, if I select so guys, you can see. Okay, so to play on to play on extreme FPS. Okay, you have to select balance or smooth graphics. Okay, so guys, you can see. Okay, so let me play on ultra FPS and HD graphics. Okay, let me click on apply. Okay, and now you know the timing. Okay, 13:38 was the time and the battery backup was 45. Okay, Livik. Okay, and guys, let me tell you in terms of let me tell you guys in terms of battery backup, this is the worst smartphone I have ever used. Okay, in terms of battery backup. So guys, this battery is, I don't know what Samsung did or how they optimize this software on S23 FE. So in terms of battery backup, this is the
This is a
worst.
simulation game
Okay,
set in a virtual world and does not represent real life.
and guys, I will be cutting too many too many video. So I will let you know the gameplay. You can see the gameplay, how much I think I will get around like 60 fps. Okay,
Good
and
luck,
there is a
mates.
lag a bit, I don't know. You can see there is a something, it's lagging a bit, not much, but it lag. Till now the phone haven't hit yet, but I know if I play for like 10 or 15 minutes, the phone will start getting heating. The phone will start get heat. Okay, the game has started. And I will obviously edit some of the footage. Okay, I will cut the footage to not to make the video very long. Okay, so guys, let me see the battery. Okay, the battery percentage has already 1% is down. Okay, and I'm playing in the brightness of like 30 to 40% brightness. Okay, let me land. Don't expect much on my gameplay because obviously I'm playing without headphone. Oh shit, this guy just landed in front of me. All right, I just died. Okay, I will play TDM. Okay, it's better because I will lose my ranking. All right, now I'm all right. I'm playing TDM now. Let's see. Let me complete the whole TDM gameplay. Like, I think it will take like 5 to 10 minutes, 5 4 6 minutes to complete one TDM game, and we will see how much battery it will drain, and will the game will be lagging or not. Okay.
A virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation. Take frequent breaks and play responsibly.
Team match, let's go.
Cover me! Down! Reloading! Marked a location. Marked a location. Cover me! Reloading! Cover me! Expired! Reloading! Enemy down! Cover me! Reloading! No mercy! Cover me! Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is in the lead. Marked a location.
Alright guys, around 10-minute gameplay has been completed. Let me show you the battery drain, how much battery it has been drained. Okay, when we started the battery percentage was 45. Now the battery percentage is 41. So obviously 4% drop on playing for 10 minutes. Okay, the phone also getting a bit heat, not that much. I can still play the game, so not that heat, but you can see like after playing for 10 minutes the 4% battery has been down. Okay, let me complete this gameplay and let me show you actual how much it will be drained after completing this TDM. Okay,
Reloading! Killing spree for the blue team!
alright guys, we won the match and I think I have finished the most. I am the MVP. Yes, I have finished like 15. Let me go to lobby and let me show you how much battery has been drained and how much we played. Okay, we started on 1338, now 1350 it's the time. So we have been playing like since like 12 minutes now, and let me show you the battery. It's 40%. Okay, so 5% battery has been drained after playing for 12 minutes. Okay, and the phone is a bit not that much heat. It's getting a bit heat. Okay, in terms of like gameplay, there was a frame drop a bit, not much, a little bit of frame drop. But if you play on like smooth, let me show you how, in which graphics settings I was playing. I was playing on HD and ultra, HD graphics and FPS on ultra. So if I select smooth graphics and extreme FPS, then I think the battery will be fine. Okay, so you can see, so guys, this is the PUBG Mobile or Bgmi test in S23 FE edition. Okay, and guys, I just want to let you know that this is the worst phone in terms of battery backup. Okay, I don't know, I get around like 4 hours or 3.50 minutes of screen on time. So in terms of battery backup, this is the worst smartphone. And you see the for playing for 12 minutes and the battery has been drained up to 5%. Okay, so this is not good, I think. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to ask anything about S23 FE edition, just comment below, I will definitely reply you. Okay, and the phone also start getting heated. I don't know, I don't have that machines and all, that's why I can't show you. And I don't have another phone as well, that's why I have to record in screen record. Okay, so thank you very much for watching guys. But let me show you, this is the S23 FE edition. Okay, I'm not using any other phone. Okay, so okay, I don't want to go to settings, the number will be revealed. So guys, thank you very much for watching guys, have a great day, bye.